Are you facing issues with Telegram notifications not working on your PC? Let's troubleshoot and fix this problem together with these steps. First, try refreshing the Telegram web page. A simple refresh can often kickstart the notification system and resolve any glitches causing the notifications not to work. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For detailed instructions on how to do this, visit your browser's support website. Clearing the cache and cookies can help reset the notification settings and get them working again. If refreshing and clearing cache don't solve the issue, log out of Telegram desktop and log back in. This step can refresh the connection and potentially fix the notification problem. Consider restarting your device. Turning it off, waiting for 30 seconds and turning it back on can help reset any underlying issues affecting the notification function. Try connecting to a different network or using mobile data. Sometimes network connectivity issues can impact notifications, so switching networks can help troubleshoot the problem. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix Telegram notifications not working on your PC, ensuring you stay updated and informed with seamless notification functionality.